He's going to go control that.
Signpost Hill.
Yeah.
Am I? There's not a lot of us. There's not a lot of us here now.
No, loads of blues are going. You'd probably be better in the tower with that.
To be honest, I think I might have to because there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fucking hell! Like, we need to hold this from like 5 different angles. James, just remember they can sneak past the pylon, come round our rear. James, contact rear! Contact at the base, pushing through tyres, mate. James, I need you covering this angle. You've got the firepower. Change position, they know you're there. Various numbers of reds coming from the tyres at the rear of our base. Contact. It's just us two here at the base. Guys, watch your right. Watch your right side. You got that angle okay, mate?
Yeah, we're good.
Sound. Where's that? That was literally in the bushes behind us. Contact rear! Rear the base! Fuck, grenade out, grenade out. Loading. Loaded. Scratch one. Nice one, mate, nice one.
There's another one in there then.
Fucking hell.
Got two.
Blues incoming, blues.
In the bush to our right as well.
We've got backup, Sam Paz is here. Hello.
Brad! You in there? Yeah. Good lad, okay.
I'm in the trenches trying to flank.
Good shot.
Any blues back up, any blues back up towards tyres. Blues here. That is going to make some hot footage, guys. Was it just me? Boom.
Was it your grenade?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Sick grenade that was. Literally on the
Hilarious. Mate, thank you.
We've just gone from
It was about 8 Were you all dead? I
was
took
dead.
fucking 8, look.
He was on his pistol there, there was about 8 of them. Did you
I
grenade?
grenaded some of them, got some of this, run like out, Mark 23 some.
They all came together.
Oh shit, contact! Direction! Stay over me, stay over me. You ready? Lean in. They're dead.
All those ones that are dead, they're going to come back round.
Yeah, yeah. Contact fire from pylon direction, pylon direction. James, get that saw cover in the back now.
They're not getting to the end of the path. There's too many blues there. One
Well, we've managed to hold them. I mean, they did good, but
yeah,
we've
I'll probably try this side next.
good fucking shooting. Ah,
Nearly lost these twice.
I know they're a bitch.